Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try sky blue polo t-shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try cream half sleeve shirt with black cargo pants and white and blue sneakers. Next you can try pink shirt with black jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try navy blue t-shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try light olive green shirt with greenish grey pants and brown shoes. Next you can try off-white half sleeve shirt with tan pants and tan loafers. Next you can try brown polo t-shirt with white pants and black shoes. Next you can try olive green shirt with black cargo pants and black sneakers. Next you can try blue striped shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black t-shirt with tan pants and yellow and black sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 polo t-shirt outfit ideas.